Astonishing, isn't it? The fact that the footprints left by Apollo astronauts on the moon will likely stay there for at least 100 million years. This is due to the moon's lack of atmosphere, which means there's no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. Welcome to a journey beyond the skies, where we delve into the fascinating realm of space. Did you know that space is completely silent? That's right. There's no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Any sci-fi film that includes explosions or even conversation in the depths of space is bending the rules. If you ever find yourself out in the cosmos, remember, no one can hear you scream. Now, consider this. A day on Venus lasts longer than a year on Venus. Intriguing, isn't it? Venus has an extremely slow rotation on its axis, taking 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Yet it only takes 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. This peculiar fact makes a year on Venus, its orbit around the Sun, shorter than its day, a complete rotation on its axis. Ever wondered about the possibility of floating off into space? Well, if you were to unstrap yourself from your spacecraft in the depths of space, you wouldn't just float away. You'd actually orbit the Earth. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station are in constant freefall, which gives the sensation of zero gravity, despite the fact that gravity is still acting upon them. Let's ponder over this. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together. This incredible phenomenon, known as cold welding, happens because the atoms of the individual pieces of metal have no way of knowing they are separate. This doesn't happen on Earth because of the air and water found between the pieces. And lastly, did you know that the Milky Way galaxy we live in is spinning at a rate of 270 kilometers per second? Despite this speed, our galaxy still takes about 240 million years to complete one rotation. And while we're on the subject of galaxies, it's worth noting that astronomers estimate there are around 100 billion galaxies in the universe. Each of these galaxies houses billions, if not trillions, of stars. In summary, space, the final frontier, is a world filled with silence, where a day can last longer than a year, and you can orbit the Earth without a spacecraft. It's a place where metal fuses together in the cold vacuum, and our home galaxy, the Milky Way, spins at an unimaginable speed, yet takes millions of years to complete one rotation. And remember, in the vast expanse of the universe, our galaxy is just one among billions. These mind-boggling facts remind us of the wonder, the mystery, and the vastness of the cosmos that